Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 and TPM 2.0 how to enable TPM on your PC. Click Advanced More. Click Advanced. Click PCHFW Configuration. Select Enabled under Intel Platform Trust Technology. Click OK. Click Exit. Click Save Changes and Reset. Click OK and restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.